Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the GreedZone indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the GreedZone indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 21 different strategies with a total of 4 winners. We have also tested a total of 362 indicators with a total of 145 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 145 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is the GreedZone indicator. I actually have to scroll back here just a little bit for you to see it on screen. So it actually interacts with the price action here, and this particular indicator only gives us sell signals. And so if I scroll back a little bit more, you can see these green columns poking up above some of these candles here. And so what we are looking for is for these green columns to appear. And as they appear, we are looking for the first red candle with, I wouldn't say with a column above it, but the first red candle to appear after at least one of these green columns appear. And then the close of that red candle, we will take that as a short signal. So might be a little confusing. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing, and we can take a look as we move on. So here is an example. We get this green candle right here. We have a green column above it, and then this red candle is the next red, the very next red candle to appear after the columns had appeared. And so we're going to take a short on that close there, and you can see that we get to take profit pretty nicely. Let's go ahead and continue on with this here. moving along. And so again, this is only going to give us short signals, and so that is one kind of strike against it, is that it doesn't give us long and short signals, just short signals. And so here we go right here. We've hit another little cluster of candles with the green bars appearing above them. You can see we get one candle that's green with a green bar, another candle that's green with a green bar, and then you can see right there that little red candle right there appears. And it doesn't necessarily have to have a green bar above it, but if it does, good, all the better. And then so at the close of that one, again, we would go short, and looks like pretty much on the next, yep, on the very next candle, we would have hit take profit. All right, so then we wrap back up here. We start getting these columns appearing again, and right there, that little red bar we get is going to be our entry there. So it has a column above it as well, and so that's going to meet all the criteria. Guess there's only one, well, more than one criteria, but that's all right. All right, and so that one got us to take profit as well. Go ahead and continue here. And so with it only giving us short signals, you can see that we aren't going to get a lot of signals in 1 year's time. And so again, that's kind of the unfortunate part so far about this. All right, so we pick up another little cluster of candles here with the green bars above it. That bar right there, that red bar, would be our entry. Red candle would be our entry. And we get to take profit pretty easily again. So far, we're doing pretty decent. Now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. Once you sign up for that, it will give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we are posting some really great advanced information, all things related to trading, things about indicators and philosophies and strategies, a whole deal. Really good stuff. Our admin, Jay, has also put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platforms. And so if you use the MT platforms rather than Tradingview quite a bit, then that list of indicators for the MT platforms could be very useful for you to have. Our admins and regular members are posting almost everyday trade analysis, market analysis, where they're putting up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using exactly when they're entering and exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. So if you're looking to train your eye to see those ideal market conditions or dial in a trading strategy, then all that information is out there for all the patrons to see on the patron-only Discord channel there. And then one last thing that I've been doing recently is I've put together an Excel sheet with all the strategies that we have tested. And so in the spreadsheet, it shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, whole deal, links to the videos. So that way you can go back and review those videos, those strategies as well. And so I pass that on as well as the entire list of all the indicators that we've tested with their win rates, winners and losers as well. So really great stuff. All right, back to the indicator here. So we're approaching the end of the year. Once again, over here, we get a little cluster of candles that have these green bars above it. And this little red candle right here is going to be our entry. And once again, we get to take profit. So this indicator seems to be doing rather well. That does put us at the end of the year right there. And so that gives us 5 trades. All of them are winners. So that's going to be another 100% winner. We haven't had one of these in a while. And this one actually was able to achieve it with a reasonable number of trades. A lot of the 100% winners tend to have like one trade, two trades in a year's time. I know 5 isn't far from that, but yeah, five signals and 5 winners. Not too bad at all. I wish it definitely gave more signals in 1 year's time, and so this might be something that could be useful for drilling down into lower time frames to get more signals and see if it is able to maintain the stability of the higher time frame as well. That would be interesting to see. And so for now, this one is going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to Tradingview, and if you use that link to Tradingview to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.